Caught in the headlights. Understanding a common English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, a deer in headlights. Have you ever felt so surprised or frightened that you couldn't move or think of what to do next? Well, this idiom perfectly captures that feeling. Let's explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. A deer in headlights refers to a state of being frozen in shock, fear, or bewilderment, much like a deer caught in the glare of approaching car headlights. This phrase is often used to describe someone who is so surprised or confused that they're momentarily immobilized, unable to respond or make a decision. The idiom draws its imagery from a common observation on rural roads at night. When a deer is caught in the headlights of an oncoming vehicle, it often freezes, either because it is blinded by the light or because it is unable to decide which way to run. This analogy has been adopted into the English language to describe a human's similar reaction in a sudden or stressful situation. Let's look at a few examples to understand how to use this idiom in context. 1. During the job interview, when asked about his previous experience, he was like a deer in headlights. Here, it means the person was so nervous or unprepared that he couldn't speak or respond properly. 2. When the surprise party yelled, "Surprise!" she stood there like a deer in headlights. This shows someone being so shocked by the surprise that they momentarily couldn't react. Understanding these examples can help you use this idiom to describe similar situations in your life or in the lives of others. And that's a wrap on a deer in headlights. We hope this video helps illuminate this expressive idiom for you. Idioms like this one add color and depth to our language, allowing us to convey complex feelings and situations in just a few words. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning, and remember, it's okay to feel like a deer in headlights sometimes. What matters is how you move forward after that moment of surprise.